Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Google Cloud GPUs easily. First, you'll need to set up a Google Cloud project and enable the Compute Engine API. Make sure your billing account is active, as GPU usage incurs costs. Then, install the Google Cloud SDK on your local machine. This SDK provides the command line tools necessary for interacting with your cloud resources. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth setup. Next, you'll configure your virtual machine instance. When creating your VM, select a machine type that supports GPUs. You can choose from various GPU models, like the NVIDIA Tesla T4 or V100, depending on your performance needs. Remember to specify the exact number of GPUs you require, perhaps 1 or 2 units, to match your workload. This configuration is key to optimizing your processing power. Once your GPU instance is ready, connect to it using SSH directly from the Google Cloud Console or your local terminal. After connecting, you'll need to install the appropriate GPU drivers and any deep learning frameworks, like TensorFlow or PyTorch, that your project requires. With everything installed, you can then upload and execute your machine learning models or other GPU-accelerated tasks. Finally, managing your GPU resources efficiently is vital for cost optimization. Always remember to stop your GPU instance when it's not actively being used. This prevents unnecessary charges. You can monitor your GPU usage and associated costs directly through the Google Cloud Console. For non-critical or fault-tolerant workloads, consider using preemptible virtual machines to achieve significant cost savings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.